AKA Mustang. This is my 2020 GT Mustang. I have the tiger theme going on with the half with shadow black and the other half with orange and tiger stripes. I'm president of Lethal Ladies Car Club. We started the car club in 2020. Few things I did to it. I have a GT 500 bumper on it. I just got done putting a new hood on it. I have some Ferrata wheels. I have an X-pipe on it. Deleted my resonator. I had it since 2020. I bought it off the lot and was fresh off the truck, so. I love tigers. Tigers is actually my favorite animal. Theme-wise, I came up with it actually on the fluke. I change up my car mostly maybe every year, every other year. So it's really a different theme on this build quite often. All my Mustangs have different designs, but this is my newest design and I think I'm gonna stick with it for quite some time. Next thing to do is I'm gonna bag it and I'm gonna go wide body on it. So catch it in 5 years. Mustang's been my favorite car my whole life. Ever since being a kid, I always loved Mustangs. And I told myself when I grew up, I'm definitely gonna have one. And I had quite a few since then.